Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. While the demands of family life may leave you exhausted, thankfully you have a partner that never tires in this Grand Caravan. It is always there with unexpected power, safety, versatility, and comfort. Thanks to the 3.6-liter V6 under the hood with a 6-speed automatic transmission, you and your crew will enjoy a quiet, powerful, and smooth ride. Count on a safe journey with Grand Caravan's road-gripping stability and traction control. With all the carpool, sporting events, and weekend camping trips, the interior quickly responds to the job at hand. A third row makes more room for friends and family, and Stow & Go opens up a world of cargo space. Plus, the observation mirror lets you keep an eye on what the little ones are doing in the back.
Loading and unloading your vehicle just got easier with the Power Liftgate. Manage less and enjoy more of your movies, music, and maps with the hard disk drive media storage. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you.
Take a look at the vehicle that anticipates your daily demands. Bring the family over for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.